Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'du. Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share with you all how I make a web portfolio, and it's look like this. Wait a minute. It look like this. This is my web portfolio, my first web portfolio, and I make this website in 4 days with, of course, with YouTube with help. I use YouTube to make this portfolio. It's my first portfolio, and before we end how make it, I make this with HTML, CSS, and a little bit JavaScript. Just a little JavaScript. So let's start. First, you have to open your Visual Studio Code, and this is still empty. We just have to make a new folder, and I choose to put my new folder in desktop. My folder name is portfolio. Okay, select folder, and this is still empty, nothing here. We just have to make a index HTML and make a little bit and type this one, so the small structure of HTML is appear in your screen. And we need to fix this so it move to the right. We rename title with portfolio, and we leave this, and we move to the body. First of all, I want to make this one, this section, this navigation section, and there is logo. Inside navigation, there's logo and this navigation, right? When we click it, it moves to the its section, like service to the service, portfolio to the portfolio. Okay. First, I want just type header, because I want to make this all thing with same color in tag header. So this all thing like this, and this pic, this thing is inside header tag. And after that, we make a container, main container, and inside main container we move to the navigation section. And inside navigation section, inside nav nav class, there is two things. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, there is a little bit more things. Let me just move ahead. That nav section, there is logo. I want to make this one. Nah, this is my logo. And how I make it? Just need to type logo class and anchor tag with blank our dummy uh, dummy link. I'm sorry. And my logo is MFA. Control save. And when we look it to the our life, it took a little time. Yeah, and the code is working. So we move to this part. Yeah, so this part. Just type only I'm sorry, the and inside is anchor tag service with ID service. So when we click it, it moves to the uh, on section, to the service section. Sorry. Alt shift down, alt shift down, alt shift down, alt shift down. Service and service portfolio education service portfolio education experience and contact rec, and last is resume. First we have to rename this all portfolio education and experience contact, and last we make a resume, but we link this to the our PDF or GPG file. Resume JPG. I want to put this on my image folder and resume folder. We don't have we don't make it yet, but later we will put my resume JPG inside my resume folder, and resume folder inside image folder on this on portfolio folder, in portfolio folder. And before that, I forgot, we work this, sorry, with button tag and resume. Save. When we look to our code, it's look, oh, there's an error. Oh yeah, forgot. Save. Nah, okay. And oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. We have to put this section on his own section. Its own section is enough. Just enough. And okay, we fix this and it's done. Yeah. Okay. The navigation things is ended here, and we move to the styling on CSS. Style CSS. Okay, and we have to link my HTML to CSS file. Link style sheet relationship style sheet and ref style CSS. Save. Okay, before we style, I want to reset my CSS because some of text on in HTML have a default CSS like default padding, margin, and another. And before we did that, I want to reset my CSS. We add a what node reset CSS and of reset CSS. First, I want to use selector star selector. It will select all text on HTML, and we change the margin to 0 and also padding to 0, and after that box sizing to border box. Save. When we look it, it's changed. And also on tag body on tag body is font family. I want to use Roboto and sans serif if word Roboto doesn't appear. Sans serif background maybe we leave this empty, and I want to change also h1 h2 h3 until x6, and strong tag to color, and we leave this empty also. And we move to the p tag. Font says 1 rem. 1 rem is 1 rem. I'm sorry. 1 rem. 1 rem. It equal 16 pixel. This two for node purpose, and length height to 1.9 rem. And move to the anchor tag. I want to make the text decoration to none. Save. So it looks like this. There's no underline because we changed to the none. And for main container class, to width 102,000 px, 1200 px, and margin to the 0, and auto make this to center, auto to center. And media screen, and max width is pixel. Oh, we forgot one thing. Okay, max width to change main container to 19%. 90%. Save. So when the screen is when the screen is changed to 102,000 pixel, the container is moved also to 90% of body text. Okay, like that. And we move again. Some of this thing is empty. Because of what? Because I want to make a variable on CSS. So it looks like this. Wait a minute. I have this one. The text of my portfolio style. Yeah. This. This is how to make a variable on CSS. Maybe you can copy this, and I want to put this one on my CSS. Maybe we put this on the top to make it look easier to 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 read. Okay, we need to make a note variables and of variables. Nah, there's an empty thing because with the earlier didn't we didn't put these variables, and now is we put in, so we just have to add this background. I want to use primary background color, and for this I want to choose variable this primary text color, and yeah, maybe that's enough. Control save. When we look it, nah, it's changed to the primary background color. And we forgot to put on reset a tag for paragraph. I'm sorry, it's below paragraph and span and label and input and text area, and also list tag color. We change it to color secondary text color, and we look it. It not change because it follow anchor tag. It's no problem. It will change later. Okay, we end these variables and reset CSS, and we move to styling our navigation. And we start again. I'm sorry that I'm paused the video because some of things. And earlier I fixed this one because there is an error here, so you can also fix this one. A media screen or media query. Let me move again to other things. I want to style my navigation section. So we put a note navigation, logo and navigation menu, and below that and of logo and navigation menu. Okay. First is I want to change enough to display. I want to display this to the flex. so it will make a row and justify content space between and yeah, cap is to rem. Save. When we look it, nah, it is like this. And again for enough whole or another list, I wanna change it to the row also. So we just need to list style none. It will remove this. The dot is gone, and display is flex. It will make a row, not a column, and get is 3 rem. When we look it, okay, that's enough. And we move again to other type. I want to call a logo class display flex and a legend item. I want to make this to the center. This is to up. I want to. This is to yeah. I want to make it to the center, so it look like this. It not change because we haven't done yet. Font size. Font size to rem and font family. Font family is Lilita 1 cursive. Okay, when we look to the R, it will move to the cursive because we not put our Lilita 1 font to our HTML yet. So I want to use Alt to open Google Font and search Lilita 1. Yeah, this is my font that I use it for my logo. Okay, you just need to click this one, select if you want, and remove if you don't want. Select and import. I want to put this on my CSS. Choose this one. Choose this. I'm sorry, the Roboto, we don't need it. Remove all. Oh no, I'm sorry. We need Roboto also. Roboto, I'm sorry. We also need Roboto. For our for all for our text. Yeah, if you look it, there's a Roboto. In some computer, Roboto is not in the default computer, and we need to download it first. Like and regular, maybe italic we need it, and this, and also this, and bold, so, and yeah, until 900. We open this, import URL, Control C, and we put this on top. Okay, just leave this and we check it change, and also this change it, and we move again. There's logo, we end with logo, and we move to the anchor tag on logo. Tag, I want to change the color to variable primary text color. If we look it, yeah, it changed. And when we hover, I want to change a hover variable, sorry, color variable primary icon color. Save, hover. We check it works. Hover. Oh god. Okay. We move again to other things. There's enough. All the display flags and a legend item. I'm sorry. Legend items to the center. And for nav all only to the, I want to change the color to variable primary icon primary text color, and we look it, yeah, it changed, right? And that is end of navigation. Yeah. Okay, let's continue our code. We open our VS Code, and yeah, earlier we have ended logo and navigation menu, and now we forgot one thing, the close tag. And now we gotta move to the burger section. Burger. Okay, that is burger is for this. Okay, burger section is for this. When we took the screen, I'm sorry, when we took the screen to the smaller, so the burger is appear. Okay, this is the burger. Okay, I hope you got it. I'm sorry. Yes. First, we have to write burger section burger section, and inside burger there is three line 3 zip, line 1, line 2, and this is line 3. We leave it empty. Burger, and we done with nav, literally. Okay, control save, and we move to the CSS style. I want to style the burger section. Burger, and I'm sorry for the background sound. I live in near roof, so the transition is uh, appear near here. Burger, div, with for width I want to px, and height is 99. I'm sorry, no, it's too much, just 2px, and background color is black or 0000. Let's code for black, and margin is off for 0.3 px. I'm sorry, it's not for margin, this is for transition, and margin is ps. The second margin is 7 px, and z index 99, close, and we gotta check it here. Yeah, there is nothing here because I put the z index. Yeah. We move again. Burger, display none. I'm sorry. Yo guys, I wrong this section. I have to add padding. Padding is to ramp in 0. Control save. Take a look. Yeah, there is padding here. We move again. This display is none. Okay, maybe we take it as a node first. And z index is grid. Sorry, z index 99, and position is fixed. Top is fixed. Top 33 px, and right 35 px. Control save. We see again. Okay guys, we move again. After I check it, there's a little bit wrong in this code. It has 3 0, just 3. Control save. When we check it, sorry, when we check it, the burger is up here, but when we change to the floor, the burger does not appear. So it's just 3. We just need 3 0. Okay, and the display we take it none, so it will not appear. Control this and save. I want to hide it first. Okay, I want to hide it first, and we move to the other section, and we back again to the our HTML code. We end with burger, and after that outside nav section, we have to type, sorry, okay, we have to type ID section, ID with hero. This is hero section. I'm sorry, we change ID with section. Control save, and inside hero, ID hero, there is class with hero left and class I'm sorry, with right. Okay, and we put heading and hero. Inside hero left there is h3 heading 3 with pre-title title. My name is and h1 with hero name Muhammad Faki Ali, and for Faki I put span here. Span, and after that there is a description for me, and with I will put tag P, and I want to copy from here. Control C and index. Control C. Control save. We look to the our. Nah, there's it appear, and I want to style it first, or we just move around. Move. Can move it. We end the hero and left and now right. Too much. Okay, right. Inside right there is just one thing, and that's hero right, just some image, and the sort is here. We have to download it in Android. Yeah, this is Android search developer, and for the color, you just take, you have to take from here, copy this color, Ctrl C, and paste it here, Ctrl V. Yeah, this is, you have to download first. Yeah, you have download it first and put inside here, put inside the image folder and here, and change and rename with hero.svg. Okay, and we call it here image hero svg, and out is hero image, and title, just maybe we put here pic. Control shift, we check, reload. Yeah, it worked, right? Work. And soon we move again to the to styling, and you have to put below merger hero section, and then end of hero section. Okay, and first I want to call id hero and style it to 8. I'm sorry, 8 px, and display grid, and grid template columns 1 vr, so the screen is will be spread to the two grid. Look again. Okay, two grid, grid 1, grid 2, and we start it again. Legend item, columns, sorry, legend item center, save, reload. Okay, and we move again to the hero name, hero name with font size 3 rem, and font weight and also margin 0.5 rem, and 0 and 1 rem. Save. Yeah, and again I want to change the color on span on Faki. Hero name span color, sorry, color for primary icon color, save, and we move to hero right, hero right to image width 18%. Save, we look again. Okay, it's look good, right? This change, and also the image change to 18%. And last, hero right display flag, display flags, justify content center, justify content center, control save, reload. Okay, the hero section is end. And before we move ahead, I want to change my button. This from this, from the default become this one. Okay, and the code is, I want to put the code. Wait, I want to put the code here in the top button. Button and of button. Button, and the code is, I want to move the padding. Sorry. First we have to put the selector here and padding. I want to change padding to 1 rem for top and bottom, and 1.5 rem for right and left. And background, I want to change to this FD FB F9, and border to 1.5 solid far, border color and border radius to 10%, and then cursor pointer and transition. Transition is for hover, with hover. Second is in out. And now we move to the hover. We done with the button. Okay, and hover. Hover. Padding. I'm sorry. Padding. Cameras. PX. 20 px. Can we check it? Control R. No, it doesn't appear. The change doesn't appear because we haven't put a class here. I will just put a class ptn. Save, and we change the hover to box shadow. Sorry, box shadow RGB 0 0 0 and 0.19, and the shadow 0.3px 5px. Save. We check it. Reload. Yeah. Okay, it works. And again, we need some padding. Left pn padding 1 or 13px and 20px. Save. Okay, it's not that big, right? It fit. So that's good. Okay, we move ahead to the section. I want to change this. I'm sorry. We change this with pre-title. We have put it in that class pre-title, right? This pre-title, and just we have to put it below bottom. Titles, and this and of titles. I'm sorry for the background sound again. And we class the pre titles. Pre-title, okay, and text transform. Uppercase, I want to change that to uppercase, all of that. Letter spacing to 0.5, red, and color to secondary text color, and I'm sorry, and then position is relative, and padding left 14px. I'm sorry. Padding left 14px. Wake 14, and font size. Right. Save. Reload. Okay, and we have to put a line here. Let's do this. Pre-title B4. pre-title before content. We have to put this even there's empty. Just put content and with px and hey when px background for to line color. Okay, and the position absolute. I'm sorry, left and top percent. Save. We look again. Okay, it's appeared. Pretty good, right? And soon we move to the service section here. Service section. We move to the service section. Section. I'm sorry. Section with ID service. Insert that ID is services and class and main container with free title and service because it's one. I have just one service for now. Sorry. Oh, yes, I wrong in this section, in this thing. This is not div, but it's tree. And after that, it's one title section title service title. It's one spider. And then this is clip 3. Actually, there is 3 things I have to put here, but I just want for now I have one specialist or one service, so I put just one thing here. Okay, I hope you all understand. We move again. So this grid 3, we will style it later. Just want to put service Okay, inside this is icon. Okay, service icon, and icon is this icon, and I got this icon on icon monster. I'm sorry, icon monster, and search for web where this it's embed, and copy this thing, copy and put inside service icon, control V. Okay, and save. We check it, control reload. Okay, it appear here, and we move again, to this text, this web development. We have to put it here, below service icon. Service icon, we put page for web development, and below that it's p tag, paragraph tag, and this tag. Error. I copy this, Control C, and we take a look. Okay, it appeared, and we move to the style. Styling is below hero. Services and of services. Services. I want to change the background color to the secondary background color, and I want to put padding section padding. I'm sorry, section padding, and then we move to the class services. We move to the pre-title services, pre-title, text legend center, and we move again to the service padding 3 rem and 2 rem, and text legends center, and then background is for primary background color, and then border radius okay, border radius to 0.5 rem, Okay, and we'll look it. It works. Just we have to style it again. It seems mess. Okay, surface H4. This for web development things. Margin, sorry, margin is 1.5 and for top and bottom and 0 for left and right. One week is 500 and font size is 1.05 frame. See, again to icon. Background. We put the background third background color. This is the third background color and with content and margin 0 auto, so it placed in center padding 1 RAM and 1.3 RAM and border radius, I'm sorry, border radius is 0.5 RAM. Save. Okay, but it little bit mess here. Okay, oops, we forgot some things, some of things. We forgot to put service title. Service title. Look, service title, right? Service title, okay. Service title is center. I want to put it center. Okay, and also maybe you check some of these tags. I hope that okay, service, my container. No, that service on here. Service. Oh, service. Just service without s. Save and service title, and this is service. Service, right? Okay, we take a look. Remove. Nothing happened. And I forgot to change the grid tree. This is grid tree. Okay, I want to style that too and put it here. Grid, grid. Sorry, grid. Sorry, this is not just layout. Layout. We select grid 3 and display it to the grid. Grid template columns. Repeat to fit in max px 1 pm and put up 3 rep. Save. We look, nothing happened, and we gotta move again. Okay, while we check it, I have to check it again. Why it not work? Create 3 surface. Maybe. Okay, we have to move again. Okay, look like we need to add more class in this section. I mean in this section. So it look like this. We need to add more class on here. In grid 3, but no, add. We have to change it to grid 1. Save. And we need to style again. We copy this all, Control V, and we add more margin. Margin to maybe this. Save. Control F. No. No grid thing. Grid 1. Save. Okay. It little bit more good. It good to see. And there's something wrong because this thing is in the center. That's wrong. Okay, we want in something like this. Service title, we have to put margin 0 and wait. And auto. Save. And this is not here. We use for item border radius. Save. Reload. Okay. And then I'm sorry. Yo guys, I forgot to put this with fit content, and maybe I have to change this one. Surface plate items. Okay, save. Okay, the title, the pre-title is on here, and maybe this, I have to fix this. You guys, I have to put this one again. I forgot. Section title. Yeah, this one here, and margin 1 RAM 0, and for RAM this, and font size is 2 RAM. I'll save. We take a look. Okay, it works. And also this one. Okay, there is my bad. This one, the header, this thing is not put it here. We have to, sorry, we have to move that to this section. No, on this. I'm sorry. Name hero, below hero is um, put here. Okay, and this, just move it. Remove that. Control S. This one is make me confused. Okay. Okay. It works right. And maybe if we change it, it work also. Okay. So we throw the grid one. Throw this. Just throw it. We move. Okay. Save. And we move to the other section. We're done with the services. And now we move to the portfolio section. Portfolio section, and wait. Okay. Portfolio and class portfolio cover, and inside that it's h4 login page, and anchor tag with, maybe we put a dummy things here. You can replace this with your link of your portfolio, no, of your project, like that. And then inside anchor is this, an icon like this. I'm sorry, this, an icon like this. Login page is h4, and when we click it, it linked to my project. So you can put here your project, and we search the icon in this, in icon monster. Share this. Share egg, right? Share egg, and we copy like we did earlier, and control V, save. Okay, and after that we div portfolio cover and portfolio text. Okay, there is div with HTML and div strap, and inside that is description of your project. And I want to copy from my project. Change and remove here, right? Drop here, also. Okay. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, and portfolio. Oh, I forgot one thing. There is cover. Nah, we put a close div tag here, and we make new div here with portfolio portfolio info. Save. Okay, we fix it. Nah, no section. This we just need this for text. It's for, and this is for what? Okay, and this is for this thing, portfolio info. Inside portfolio info is portfolio title. Okay, now it's only one thing left. This save, and inside portfolio cover we put image text. img src, and for the source is here my image on my portfolio. This is this is my portfolio, so I just need to link that here. Image source image on my portfolio on png. Save up is login page 1. Save. When we look it, reload. Okay, now we just need to copy these all things. I'm sorry, it's not here. This is here and this here. Okay, we just need to copy this. Alt shift down, and we put note here. Portfolio 2, and this is for portfolio 1. Save and put not portfolio beyond and below of the things too, and of portfolio section, and also on this thing save, and also on this thing too, header, and below the header and up the header and this surface, and this is and of surface. Okay, save. It little bit more good, right? Than before. Header, service is here. Why I put it here? Okay, okay, good. This also. I'm sorry. End of portfolio. Zip. Okay. Header. Oh, more. We need more. It's all things until this. Okay. Header. Okay. Control save. It more look comfortable than before. And we move to the what after portfolio is. No, we move to the styling. We have to style it. And of service and move to portfolio. Save. And first, I need to take a portfolio. The ID is portfolio. We need to add S here. Portfolios. Save. Okay, and inside portfolio is padding. Padding for section padding. Save. And then portfolio class. Portfolio. I'm sorry. Okay. Portfolio. I'm sorry for the background sound. I'm sorry. Portfolio border radius. Border radius is far. It border radius and overflow. Hidden. And also border. I want to make the border is seen over our eyes. My index solid with far border color, and then background far secondary and padding. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, padding, not just live. Padding is 3px. Save. And we move ahead to cover or image. Portfolio cover. Portfolio cover. A P px and portfolio cover image. To shop the image inside portfolio cover, and then we put with 100% and also height 100%, 100%, and then object fit cover and border radius with var item border. We take a look here. Okay, it's a little bit mess. Why? Because we haven't put a grid here, right? We back again to our index HTML. We move a lot of things here. First is portfolios with main container. I'm sorry. Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Okay, it looks good, and then insert that is pre-title, like always pre-title, and insert pre-title is my works, and then below my work is section title. Okay, section title with featured portfolios, and then we have to put this. Okay, first of all, this I want to move this one below of everything. Yeah, trophy. Portfolio. Okay, you have to move this one too. Okay. Okay. And then this one, grid 3, our favorite. Grid 3. We have to move this one to below of everything. Grid 3, right below of everything. Okay. And we have to okay. Tap shift Control Shift. Take a look here. No. Here. Reload. A little bit mess. Okay, I have to fix this one. I forgot again. The most important thing before of this is portfolio class. Folio without S, and put it in it and put it here. Oh yes, it put it here. We have to change this, and we move again to this one too. For this is portfolio. Portfolio. And put it here. It put it here. No. It's not here. So okay. We fix this one. This all. Control Shift. We take a look. I hope that's clear. Okay. Thank God. That's clear, right? It's and then we move to here and here. Okay. Image, and after image is hold a minute, hold a second. Image is info. You put px, and then I'm sorry, portfolio title, flex, justify content center, and I'm sorry, not center, it's space between and a legend item. This is center, and then don't forget to put cap one rep, shift, and last is portfolio h4. It for our login page for the title of our portfolio, of each of portfolio, font weight, save. I hope this one works. Okay, I'm so sorry. No. Reload. No, it doesn't work. Oh, this one in portfolio info. It's just 2 RAM, right? That's too much. Portfolio 2 RAM, 1.5 RAM. Save. Reload. Okay. And then this and this one. We have to fix that all. The SVG, we put it here, okay. It's for and I want to change the portfolio title SVG. Transition is in out, and then hover. Okay, enter, add hover here, and we change this is with fill with primary icon color. Save. When we take a look here, load, it doesn't work. Okay, we have to fix it again. Portfolio hover fill file. Okay. Portfolio title and add tag anchor and SVG. It's enough. Save and save portfolio. Yeah, there's one. It's a little thing, but it changed everything. No, okay, and this one too. Save. Looking, control reload. What? Okay, it works, right? And what happened with this? It here, and also it there. Yeah, I have to fix all of it. Portfolio info doesn't have any of close type, and I want to make this one is close of portfolio info, and this is close for portfolio. Okay, and the gap, the grid. I'm sorry, the grid is doesn't have it, and this is for grid. No, this is for grid. The portfolio. Oh, portfolio is also doesn't have it there. No, I'm sorry. It have here. This for portfolio. No. When we erase this, so it have one where. Oops, I forgot to put this one thing here. So what this is for? Okay, this for portfolio. No. Okay, like this, and also this one thing. This is for grid, and this for portfolio. Okay, maybe that's enough. That's it. God, thank God. And this portfolio, and this is for portfolio info. This is for title. Yeah. This is for text, portfolio, and grid. Main container. Main container doesn't have to. See? So it belongs to main container. Save. When we look it, okay, and we move the style again. It really have a lot of error here. After SVG, we move to the text. Portfolio text dot display flex, and cap is just one rand and margin one save, and after that is portfolio text div. We still in text font size. I want to change the font size to the 0.9 right, and border is 1px. Solid border and body to this and one rand, and then color secondary text color. Save. We take a look. I hope that works. Okay, it looks right. It works. When we look at okay, it's for this one there is named portfolio section title. We haven't styled it yet. I miss again. This is not div class, but h1 class. If we look here, it changed, right? Portfolio title is it's changed. Nah, this is we don't use this. We use other. We move again to the index. Yeah, we are ready here to pick two empty and login page, and I use on this thing is with HTML and CSS. And then we copy here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, save. We reload that. Okay, change here, and maybe there is padding here. Okay, UI image again. This is not height, but padding. It's for padding. Oh yeah, the padding is changed, right? Like this. Padding changed. Okay, that's good. And we move ahead to the. We move again to the. I forgot. To skill, education, and job experience. This is in one section. We move to the here. To the education, skills, and education. Sorry, education, just education and job experience. I have to remove this one too. And okay, we open our VS Code and back to the coding, to the our code, and add note education and job experience. Okay, education and job experience, and also and of education and job experience. And first, as always, we have to put section education, section education, and no, without uppercase, section education, and inside section first is div class. I'm sorry. Okay, this div class. This is no class education. Okay, Theons, enter, and we add main container, and inside this section is, and we add here again id education, and we change this with education and education strip job. Okay, and inside education there is class with edu no, what we call it, education job, job grid. Okay, and we have to part this to the right and left. Education, left, and job right. and left, we have to put our education progress. Education. First, we have to add a learning or a pre-title as always. Pre-title and put inside it learning path, and then check each one with class section title, section title, education. Okay, and then we move to the education one. Class education without any S, education, and inside that line, and inside line, I'm sorry, line, and inside line is div, empty div, and line is for this one. If you take a look here, there is a line, right? There's a line and the dots and line like that, and this div is for line. Okay, after line is info, info, no, education info, control Z, no, that's wrong. Okay, education info, the first one is the newest education. Which one? Title. Okay, and A is for information, ongoing, this is for yours. Okay, and yes, just that. And after that is education 2. I want to copy this up to 3 part. This is education 2 and this is 3, and I want to change this into my high school, Irshad Islamic Boarding School, and also the years is this is my middle high school until senior school, and I begin on 2015 until 2021. Save and this is for my elementary school. I studied at public elementary school, and this is AMS. This is for information elementary school and education years. I began this on 2009 until 2015. Save, and we take a look here. Yeah, this is the education, and I forgot to put padding here, and we move to the styling and portfolio. Padding is here, so yeah, are wrong in this. I have checked it, and this is wrong. Okay, and this one to portfolio. The right is portfolios. When we check it, I hope it doing well. I hope it doing well. Okay, it work right. Yeah, this is my portfolio, and this one skills and education, polytechnic. Okay, and we move to the right section. There is my job. Okay, job right, and we take a note here. Job experience. Save. Job right, and inside job is, or maybe we style it first. I want to style it first. Okay, we move to the styling, and add here. I'm sorry. Control Z. Add here. First note is education and job experience. First is this education job to put some padding and background. Section padding and background. And background, and then application is done. Take a look here, so look like this, and also we move to well, where is it? This education job grid. Education job grid. I want to put it to two grid, two section, right and left. Display grid and grid template columns is repeat, and auto fit. FL, and then gap. I want to gap it to RAM. Save, and we move again. We move ahead to education, and experience. This experience is later. We don't start it yet, but maybe just education. Save. We will add it later. Experience. Display flags and gap is to RAM. Save. We take a look. Okay, and we move again. We move ahead in education. Education, and there is line and info. First line. Education line adding 0 and 0.7 RAM, and then education line if we need 2px, just 2px, don't give it too much, and height so 100%, and background color is border color, and then position to relative, no, relative. Okay, and then it move to the info, to the right side, education info. I'm sorry, to p text. P text inside education info. Okay, the line is appear here, line, and I want to style this one. P. This is p text. Okay. P margin just 0.6 gram, 0.6 gram, and 0 and 1.4 gram. Okay, it's enough. And then to education here, education years, margin bottom 3 gram, and that's enough. Okay, that's enough, right? And I want to put a dot here, like this. There is 3 dots. Dot, dot. Okay. We move to here, and now we move ahead to job experience. I just need to copy this one from this. Okay, I'm sorry. Just do Control C, and inside right, job right, put here Control V, and rename this with job experience, and this to job experience, and this change this with class job, maybe experience, just experience, and also this experience info, and this one we just we use shortcut to change this education word to experience word. Just click Ctrl D, 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 experience, and enter, or just click escape. Okay, change. But if we take a look here, nah, it's still same as first, and we have to change this to what I write here, I forgot. Maybe we just take a look here. Exploring with job experience. Okay, exploring with job experience, and the newest my experience job is in Al Irshad Islamic Boarding School, and I work here as a staff, and it ended on 2023, from 2022 until 2023, and all this is my intern on Al Irshad Islamic Boarding School. I work here as intern. Okay, and experience here is from 2021 until 2022. Oh, okay, 2022. Save, and we move to the style. We put here, okay, experience, because we want to style the experience section also. Experience, and this one too. Experience line, and this one too. Experience line div, and this too. Experience info b tag, and this too. Experience years. Save. When we look it, okay, no, yeah, it appear, but there's one thing, the line is here, not here. I want to put the line here, and this one is, and all of this font is aligned to the right. We just need to style with top right. Okay, put here top right, top right, and text region to and save. Look, yeah, but it still have we still have a wrong an error because this whole thing doesn't want to the right, just this title. So, and we add more here. It's just not it's not ended here, but we will add display flags and flag direction is column, and then region items is and save. Okay, but this I want to put this here. So we just need the simple things. If the education the line is before education info, so we put the line for job experience after education info after experience info, like this. Also this, save, and next I want to put the dot here. We put the class, but we put not first and of education and experience, and this is for the dots, the dots for the dots. The code is education and line and sorry div before and also experience line div before content is empty, because we need to put the content with just 15px and height also 15px, background is further color, and to make it I'm sorry to make it brown to make it round we have to put border radius 50%, and position is absolute, and left me 6. Okay, there is a line and there is a dot. Okay, we're done with this. and we move to the contact section. Before of that, we have to check our progress. It's good, but it's an error here. It goes just only on stuff. It placed on. It's placed at stuff here. Oh, there's one. When we check and we check it again, okay, it's good, right? Yeah, it's good, and we move ahead. But we have to we have to put the spacing here. Space. This one, okay. Control save. It's done, and we end of education. We end it here. Contact section. Contact. End of contact. Okay, first thing is contact. Context. Okay, and inside id context is class contact with, as always, main container, and then I want to part contact like job experience and education. I want to grid this section to two section. So just put contact left, and right. Okay, save. Contact left is for the formula. So we just put form with class contact form. Okay, this code and action. We leave this one empty, and yeah, just that. And we move to the div, and put inside div is input type text. We need placeholder email and name email. Okay, move ahead. We move again to another. I'm sorry, this is not email. This is name. Name and name. I want to copy this and type text. This for type email and press order. We we change it to email, and name too, we change it to email. Save, and last is new div with text area name message with the ID message and placeholder. Placeholder is message and calls is just 10 and row 10. Save, and very last is div for button btn submit send message. Save. This is the right, this is the left side. Okay, and the right side is this. We style the left side later. But when we take a look, it looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this. Okay, the left side and the right side is first contact item 1. Save. Class contact item, and inside that is contact item icon, and we put here an svg file with this. I want to put address, so we choose address, this, or yeah, this, I think this one, or location. It's another, not that one. Location. This is, yeah, I think it's copy, and as always paste here, and we move to the another section. Contact item and contact item detail. There is an H for save, and I want to copy this whole thing. Alt shift down. There is 3 things in contact item, and number 2 is not address. Number 2 is forgot, phone and email. Number 3 is email. Number 2 is phone. phone, and my phone is my phone, and this tree is email. And my email is okay. And we have to change this. We have to put a new icon for phone and email in this phone. Sorry, phone with this. Okay, embed, copy, and paste here. Okay, and next is email. Email. Not that. This one. Email for. I think it's That's this one. Copy and paste here. Trophy. Save. So we look again to check it. Okay, that's enough. And we have to create it to. So we move to the styling. And of dots contact. First, I want to shoot the contact ID and put here display. I'm sorry, padding. I want to use the padding for padding and the background color is primary. Save and contact form div. I want to put the padding here. Sorry, margin button. Margin button 1.5 RAM. Save. Okay, I forgot to put the contact display grid. Create template column. Repeat to fit next. Okay, templates in 1 feet fr. And also don't forget to put cap 3 RAM. Save. And after that is contact contact form input and contact from text area with 100%. No, before that I want to take a look here. Yeah, it's reset to two area, right and left. Sorry, left and right. We move ahead, padding padding 0.75 rem and 1.3 rem, and font family is Roboto, and sans serif. When the Roboto doesn't appear, so it's appeared sans serif and background to the background color secondary and border 1px solid for border color, and border radius also don't forget to put border radius to 3px and resize none. This for text area, resize none, save. Okay, that's maybe enough. Okay, maybe we have to put the padding here. I think I put it here, but it doesn't work. Why? Because maybe the context, we put S here, but we doesn't put S here. We have to put S, and it works. No, it doesn't work. Okay, context, and this is context. Oh yeah, this one, the T. Save below. Okay, it's here, right? And I want to change the color of this placeholder to the color that this is too much, and I want to change it. HTML placeholder, save. Okay, here contact form input placeholder and also contact from text area placeholder color. We change to D9. Oh, save. I'm sorry, fall. Save. D9. Oh, not fall. This is 1. Save. Okay. And again, we move ahead. We move to the contact form. Still at contact form and input. and also an contact form input, not in text folder, text area, focus, outline, none, and border, border, border 1px solid 70 check. Okay, okay, that's enough. And we move ahead to the button. At the end, submit with 100% padding, rem and 1.3 rem, and also the background color is icon color, primary icon color, hover, and then color is, this is for the font is FFF, it means white, and border none, border radius 3px, cursor pointer, and transition, this is for hover, transition is second, yes, and up, save. We move to the hover button, submit, hover, the hover's background, I want to change the background to primary icon color, save. So when we take a look here, nah, okay, it looks same, right? And we just need to style this. Okay, move ahead, we move again to the contact item, right? Contact item, so this is contact item. We move to the contact item, display flags, and cap is 1.5 frame, and margin bottom 2.5 frame, save. And now is I want to style the contact item, this one, contact item icon, contact icon. Okay, I will change the background color, maybe just background to third background color, and width 5 px, also height to have 3 px, and then for the radius 9px, and display flex, and justify content center and origin item center center. Okay, save, reload. Okay, there's nothing happened, but it's okay. And then oh, it's happening. This is changed the background color and border radius. And also I have to change the SVG icon, contact item icon, SVG, fill it with icon color. Okay, close. And contact item detail is for this one, detail. Yeah, I want to style it. So no, just for h4. So if that for h4, I want to style it just for titles, not the details, just for titles. Margin bottom 0.6. Save. Okay, maybe that's enough. We look in. Okay, that's enough, right? And last, I want to take a footer. I want to make a footer here. Contact item, end of contact, and footer down and a footer. First, as always, I want to put an ID for footer. No, without ID, just footer, like header, like that. So we put inside here class footer icon, icons. A lot of icon I will put here to the nothing. This is for Instagram. No. I want to put a note in Instagram. This is for my Instagram account, and inside this is this one, and I have to search again Instagram. Okay, we'll wait. Instagram. This is the logo. Embed and save it here. Okay, and next No, the note is not here. Is here. Okay. And again, anchor tag with hashtag. And inside that is LinkedIn. LinkedIn icon with this one. I'm sorry, with this one. LinkedIn icon, embed, copy, and put here. See, white note, LinkedIn. And next, move to the next anchor tag. To the next icon is Twitter. Twitter, this one, right? Okay, this one. Twitter, download a copy. I'm sorry, copy and put inside here. And next, move to another anchor tag with hashtag, and inside this is GitHub. GitHub. GitHub icon is embed, copy, and paste here. And then put a note, Twitter, and GitHub. Save. We look it to our portfolio, to my portfolio. Yeah, it appear here. And don't forget to add copyright. Okay. And made by okay. Save. Okay, it's appear here. And now we move to the styling. And of contact. And begin with footer. Footer first is always no footer padding sorry padding to and 0, and background is for background color secondary, and then text legend center, and footer icon is margin bottom 1 rem. Move to the SVG, footer icon, footer icon, SVG. I want to fill it with color 3E3 F14 40, and then last is footer icon a hover, sorry, not a SVG hover, and fill it with another color with icon, primary icon color shift. So when we no, it's not working. Why? Because yeah, this I will put S here. I forgot to put S here. Save, reload. Okay, but the padding is not appear to run because there is space here. Save. Okay, sorry, where is now? That's enough. Oh, maybe it's too it's too close. I want to far it. I want to make it far. In footer icon, footer icon A, footer icons A, margin 0 for top and bottom, and 0.5 frame for left and right. Save. That's enough. When we look at here, no, the first one is Instagram. So I want Instagram. Yeah, this one, Instagram. And save. Move to here. Control V. Save. Reload. Okay, maybe that's enough. And we move to the responsive because I want to make it responsive. And we add more files here. Insert style, responsive.css. Enter. We move it to the inside CS style, and we have to link it. I have to link it here. Link here with shift down, responsive CSS, and put inside here a media queries. I will put 3 media queries here, and this is the media queries. Wait. Okay, this is the media queries. Media screen, and max. with 1000 px. So when the screen turn to the 100 px, I want to change the p tag to font size 0.9 rem and length h 1.8 rem, and also I want to change the grid the grid 3 class to the cap 1 rem, just 1 rem, and also I want to change the scales. Hold a second. Scales right. Wait. Okay. Oh shit. What I what I click it. Okay. What is this? I don't know. Just close it. And actually, what is responsive? No, not this. Portfolio. Okay. This broken. Hold a minute. Yeah. We move again. We move ahead. Actually, we don't need this. Okay, just two things I want to change when the screen turn to the 1000 px. Just this. And we move ahead to the next media query or media that I want to change when the screen turn to the media screen and max width. No, not this tag. Okay. Max width when the screen turn to the px. Yeah. When screen turn to the 825 px, I want to change burger text, burger class. Yeah. When we take a look to our HTML, here we go live here, we wait. Actually there is a barger here, and I want to make a barger appear when the screen turn to this size like that. Okay, I hope you understand what I said. We move ahead. Responsive and barger. I want to change the barger to display lock. Sorry, forgot to take a barger, and display is block and cursor pointer and over next to the tuple. Barger line 1. Okay, toggle barger is for JavaScript things like this. When the screen turn to the this it appear, right? It appear, but I want to put these all things, yeah, this navigation to this barger. So the toggle barger, this class will appear on this grid only on this size. If we take a look on our HTML, there's nothing toggle class here, toggle barger class here. So we move to the script.js. There's M3 script. I want to code here right now. The code is, first I want to make a node for toggle and responsive navigation. Okay, and I want to put inside here if you didn't understand it yet, just follow my my words, follow my code. Const barger document query selector barger. Okay, this will the next also const nav list document also query selector nav. Okay, save, and then we move barger add event listener, click, and this nav list class, sorry, nav list class list toggle. So I want in this, right? Actually it have 2G, not you have double G, not double O. Nav and close it, and we add more border like this and toggle barger, and we close it. Put this one too and put here too and save, and we will call it. My teacher said JavaScript will not work if we not call the function or anything what we put here. So we have to call the JavaScript nav slide like this and close, control save, and we move to the responsive. So toggle barger is here. Toggle barger will appear at barger class list. or maybe we check it on spec later. Okay, there is some wrong here. Cons. Oh, I wrong. Cons. The T is at the end. Okay, save. And what is this? Total border. Okay. I want to style it. Total border. Total border is transform. Rotate in 45-degree. Translate to 6px. 7px. Okay, it will look like this. Oh, it doesn't appear, but actually, maybe later. We will end our code first. Tujuh bajar line 1, tujuh bajar line 2. Opacity, I want to make this 0, and oh, this is a big mistake. Double G, not double O. Okay, Fajal Barger, line 3, transform like this, but it Dolphy. If this mean 45-degree, negative 45-degree, and this is 45-degree. If this, but this is right, and we put this negative 7px. Save. We take a look here. It's not working. We put inspect here. Okay. When the screen moves to the 825px, we take a look. The div is on here. Barger. It not appeared here yet. Okay, maybe we have to continue our code first. Just continue our code. We move ahead to our code. Total buzzer line 3, and we move to the navigation section. Navigation. I want to put the navigation when it look like this in the screen. I want to put this all navigation inside Toggle. Inside Barger, I'm sorry, inside Barger. So we have to take here nav and position is fixed, and width maybe just we need just 14%, right 0, and also top is 0, and height I want to make this fit so it fill screen, it fill all screen from top to the bottom, and height I'm sorry, not height, flag direction, column. Save. When we look it, okay, some of, maybe we have to move column and background for primary background color. Primary background color. Save. When we look, it not appear. Why? We have to check it again. Primary background color, column nav, maybe here. We have to look it again. Nav thing is, where is it? Where is the nav? Nav is at the top. This is nav. Actually, nav position fixed. Okay. Primary background color. Primary background is this. Okay, it's work, right? There is a primary background color here, and also we have to move ahead, border left, 1 px solid border color, and we move again z index to 99. I'm sorry, to 9, just 9, and transform. Translate x 100% and transition to second is in out. This is for hover. No, this is for when this click it have a 2 second or 0.2 second to move like that, and we take pull inside nav like this, and we have to put height here and vh like it parent nav, and a legend item. I want to put it center, and flag direction. Sorry, flag direction is column, and also justify content center. We take a look. I hope it works. Okay, but where is it? Maybe we have some problem here. But we have to move. Okay. Nav. We need nav and nav active. Nav active is at JavaScript, right? Transform translate ik 0. Save. Okay. It not works. Not work yet. Root. We have to put some variable. Section padding. Section padding is frame and 0. In section title, Okay, and font size is 1.6 gram, and then margin 0.6 gram, 0.6 gram for top, 0 for bottom, and 2 gram for left and right. 2.5, I'm sorry, 2.5 gram. And also, maybe we take a look here. What happened? There's nothing happened, right? Okay, it's still like this because maybe the JavaScript. I will fix it later. I want to move. I want to move first to the section title and pre-title. Font size. Okay, save. Okay, it's enough for navigation section. Add media screen uh, 825 px, but in the JavaScript it's not working. I have to take a look here again, and after searching for hours I found an error, maybe on this section, this ref. We don't put ref here. Ref is for anchor tag and CSS, but for script we use src. I want to try it. Control save. I hope it's doing well. Bismillah. Okay, so when we look it, there is a new class at nav section and class at burger class. There is a new class toggle burger. When we click it, so we move ahead. We move again to the responsive CSS, and we stop at pre-title, and now we move to the hero section. Still on same media, hero section. First I want to change hero to grid template columns to 1 VR, so it not look like this. I want to put the image above my name, image above my name, like this. So the screen I want to part it to 1 FR and height fit content. Okay, to hero right. For that I want to check again this, refresh. Nah, the image is below the title. I want to move it above title, and we put a class here, hero right, and inside that is order -1. Nah, it look better. And now I want to add some. I want to change I want to change the size of image with percent and 5 frame. Save, and we move to the pre-title on hero. Pre-title at hero. Hero left. Pre title. We want to change the margin. We want to change margin to 0 and auto, so it places it on the center, at the center, and hero name, which is that's my name. Font yes, 2.3 RAM, and margin bottom 0.5 RAM, and that's enough. We look for project. Okay, that's enough, and maybe okay, that's enough. We have to move again to our styling. Hero name, and now we move to this. We move to wait. Move ahead to footer. Footer. Adding to RAM. Save. Why it different here? Well, wait a minute. Okay, it looks same. This one too, and this. Okay, footer section, navigation, hero, hero name, hero left, hero pre-title, just pre-title, but this is not on center. I want to put it on center too. Right here. Hey, no, right here. Hero left. Pixel Legend center. And also I want to put some padding bottom. Five frame. Save. Okay. It's look good, right? And we end the 825 pixel, and now we move to the other media, last media, is this add media screen and max width max width 614 px, and I want to style it for just for titles. I want to put in section title some font size to 1.3 rem, and also in pre-title font size 0.7 rem. Save, reload, enter. Oh yeah, that worked, right? The size is changed, and we end with responsive. We end with that, and now we move on. This I want to put some JavaScript here in name, email, message, but before of that I want to put here also when someone click this section and put, for example, his name, Muhammad Fakih Ali, and email, for example, this maybe just Hilly, name Hilly@gmail.com, and message hi. When we click it, it not works. Why? Because we haven't put here some links, and I want to this section is works. First you have to do is open this one. Okay, wait a second. Just click this formspree.io. This is for email. Yeah, when if you want to this section is working, just put this formspree inside your HTML, and the step is like this. When you don't have any account in formspree, just click get started, and yeah, put your name here and register and follow the steps. But I have an account, so I just want to sign in, and it's automatically put inside here. Nah, this is my my example. This is my test. I want to test is that working or not. So I put some random email and random message and random name, and it send it to my email. Okay, when you don't have any project yet before, and that's new account, maybe this just only one thing appeared here, my first project. So you have to click this plus new form. You have to maybe from name, email, message, and this project from my first project, and this is send emails to, I want to send to my email, and this is my email, create from. Form created successfully, and open this. Actually, if you want to create a new project, just create a new project. New project dashboard. Okay, create project. Okay, this is new project. Put a name whatever you want. Maybe just name it portfolio. Save, and maybe this is my first project. We throw it and create from here new form, email. Okay, it created, and copy this, copy or here. You have to, or you can copy here and this. Place this URL in the action attribute of your form. Also make sure your form use method post. Finally, ensure that each input attribute. You can copy this and this, or if you want a simple thing, copy this one and put inside your form tag. Control C, and this Control V in yeah, in form action. There's two action. We need just one action. Okay, Control V. Action, this that link and method post. Don't forget to put method post here. Just put it here and save. And yeah, don't forget to put name email and name message and this, and we put it on and in my here I put it here, name email and name message. Save. We open our project. Okay, I want to test it here at gmail.com. Hi okay, send message, and it works. Okay, when I check my email, there is sent to my another account, so I gotta move to another account first. Gmail. I open my Gmail and this form is free. Now this is the message. Hi Faki. So it look like this. Okay, and that is the last thing I want to share with you. So our portfolio is working like that. It looks like a very perfect, right? And don't forget to put your resume here. Okay, we gotta check our our uh, our links. It linked to, maybe we have to link it. We have to change this to hashtag and service it work, portfolio working. No, this one. Okay, I have to open it here in portfolio index. Now I want to change this to hashtag and it working. Portfolio not working. I have to fix it again. Education works. Experience not working. Contact not working, and resume working. Okay, I have to first I want to change this to the hashtag hero logo. To the logo, I want to change this to the hashtag. Save. And portfolio, yeah, portfolio. This is as there is this is portfolios, not portfolio. So I want to change it here, portfolios, and also education work and experience. Okay, experience. I want to check it. ID experience. Where is that? Oh, education. Okay, okay. Education also not working. Why? Because the ID is not education or experience, but education job. So I want to change that to education job, and this one to education job. Control save, and this resume I want to put here target blank, contact also that's somewhere because the ID is context, not just contact. I have to put an S here. Control save. Okay, we check it again. Reload. It's okay. It's good. And service, it's working. Portfolio works. Education works. Experience works. Contact works. And last, resume. The target attribute and blank value is for this. It will open it in new tab. Okay, why I like to open it in new tab, so it not broke this this page. And if you want to put your link account here, just put it inside here. Oh, there's much of index here. I just need one. Okay. Nah, if you want to put your account here, just put your link of Instagram account here, link of your LinkedIn account here, link of your Twitter account here, and link of your GitHub account here. You can do it by yourself. Okay, that's enough. That's for me. And I say thank you very much. You watched this until the end of video, and I so sorry that my English is not that good, that there is much of wrong pronunciation, and there is much of word that you can their words understandable. And yeah, I hope you understand my condition. This is for task, and I hope my English is increased by level in my skill on web development in also increased by level. So I can put this space less. It's not just web development. I want to put here also Android, and I want to put here also DevOps maybe, and another things. And I want to give more or works more to fill part this portfolio section. I want to make this portfolio section is much, not just two. I want to make this 3 or 4 or 5 or much. And also I want to this I want to end this education at 2026 2027, and I hope you guys to pray for me to pass this years easily. Okay, maybe that's for me. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We ended it 3 p.m. When if you give attention with this one, you will know how much day I spent to make this video. Thank you.